Today is as good a day as any to hike the Foothills Trail. No, it wasn't. Almost got lost there for a second. Oh no! Oh, this breaks my heart. I was really hoping I'd get to see some ducks, but... Hello? Now after the Hurricane Helene, I wanted to see how much damage there was. So sad. But wait, there's more. Oh! There's really something in there.
Ew. What is that?
Do you realize what that is? Enchanting. Today is as good as any other day to hike the Foothills Trail. It's early morning. Beautiful. They took me a little slice of the cauliflower mushroom. Chattooga River. 5 more miles. Oh, poop. Ah, Rock Creek campsite. Actually, I get a lake view. There's some people over there. They got the creek site. That's okay. Let's check out the lake. So yeah, today was a good day. Very unlike yesterday. I guess I gotta go this way. I had to take a detour. Almost got lost there for a second. But let's look on the bright side. My chances of seeing a wild duck exponentially increased by 100-fold today. Where the fire went through Table Rock last year, I think. Let's see. I guess I'm going up this way. Today's as good a day as any to hike the The Foothills Trail. No, it wasn't. This is a view from Pinnacle Mountain. Amazing. Look at them fall colors. Somehow I gotta scale this rock. It really wasn't. I think it's getting to be about noon. It's been raining since 10 o'clock when I started. Man, I guess I'm just gonna have to go up. Oh, shit. Okay, for my own safety, I'm not gonna film this part. I thought for a minute the sun was going to come out. Then it ran away and hid again. Look who came to supper. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, he's stuck in my plastic. Oh God. There he goes. Go on, little fella. Shoo. Bye-bye. You can go now. Please go. Okay, good. Oh, how nice. First thing in the morning. This is what I wake up to. Wow, that wasn't so bad. I'm already going downhill. Huh. I guess I'm just in such good shape that it's only Heartbreak Ridge for everybody else. Woohoo, downhill. Wait, what? Oh, I spoke too soon and too arrogantly. Darn it. only 189.99 heartbeats per minute. You get all this. Yes, it's true, folks. It's only a limited time deal. And the cobwebs are free. They come with the deal.
Ew. What is that? Ew. Ew.
Halfway there. Woohoo! Goodness me. It's been a day and a half. Today's gonna be a busy day. Check out Hilliard Falls. And then we got the Thompson River. That's always beautiful. And then the Whitewater River. And after we follow on up the Whitewater River for a while, we'll reach the majestic Whitewater Falls. It's really cool. I think it's one of the most beautiful waterfalls I've ever seen. And then I have to, at the parking lot below the falls, we're going to pick up some food that my shuttle driver stashed for me. So I carried like 4 days of food. Now I got 3 more days of food. That sun's pretty bright. I was really hoping I'd get to see some ducks, but I was sure after all that rain, but I don't know. I think maybe they already flew south. That's kind of disappointing. I know how y'all like to see the wild ducks, and especially the rare ones that I find. Also, I wanted to hike this trail again. The last time I hiked it was, I think it was 2001. Now after the Hurricane Helene, I wanted to see how much damage there was. And it's not too bad. There's some areas where a lot of trees, you can see where the wind just came through and brought a lot of trees down. But they had to clear a lot just to make the trail passable. Most of the bridges held up so far. There was one they had to repair it where a big tree fell across it. But anyway, ooh, we got nuts. These suckers roll right under your feet. Anyway, it's absolutely beautiful out here. It's November 1st. And it's just like peak colors here in South Carolina. Especially in the morning when the sun hits the trees. It's really nice. This is a neat tree. Hello? Anybody there? Oh, excuse me. Sorry. I'm going to go through the Whitewater River corridor. It's really beautiful. Here we are, Whitewater Falls River corridor. Enchanting. These beautiful red berries. Wait, what's that? It looks like a yellow berry. Oh my goodness. Do you realize what that is? Oh my goodness. It's a red-billed Thumbelina duck. Look at that. Did you know these aren't really that rare? It's just they're so tiny nobody can ever see them. Oh, I can't believe I stopped to look at those berries and I found the Thumbelina duck. He's really quite friendly. That corridor is narrowing. There it is, down there. Gonna have to get a little closer than that, though. What's this monstrosity? I was looking forward to jumping the crevasse. Wow.
And that was scary.
Well, that's a disappointment. I just gotta try to make it to the White Waterfalls overlook. Just a few more steps.